subscribers. Wrapping it up. As you can see, I took my swim. I'm feeling good beyond the beach. So, today and the journey come to an end. It's time to go up to Mombasa. I think we're enough driving right now. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm gonna leave it with a song. Bonus. What's in the bar, through the sun. When the sunset, my work is done. I gotta find you. Wherever you go, I will be there. I got a pot bag of weed, there's a stone ginger wine. Gotta cover my mind, cause I'm all over mine. Girl, you know you're so damn fine, blowing up my mind. She understand that life is a hustler. Stay by a man cause you know he's a hustler. Fight with that guy cause you know he's a hustler. This is the type of girl who is a hustler. Only you, my boo. Know who is my friend from who is my crew. Only you, my boo. Know who is my enemy, so who is my crow. Only you. Only you. Next up, bonus chunk. You want to subscribe, OneloveAfrica. Take your nation for God. Make sure you say like, subscribe, and share. If you're on the beach,